Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will learn 4 sight words and we will also form some sentences. Are you ready? Our 4 sight words are I, see, my, like. Here comes our first word. Can you guess what it is? I. Say it with me. I eat. I eat. I play. I play. I sing. I sing. I paint. I paint. I skate. I skate. Here comes our second word. See. Repeat with me. See. I see apples. I see apples. I see moon. I see moon. I see cupcakes. I see cupcakes. I see fishes. I see fishes. I see stars. I see stars. Here comes our third sight word. My. Say it with me. My. I see my dog. I see my dog. I see my books. I see my books. I see my toys. I see my toys. I see my piggy bank. I see my piggy bank. I see my plant. I see my plant. Now comes our fourth sight word. Like. Say it with me. Like. I like my ice cream. I like my ice cream. I like my cat. I like my cat. I like my toy car. I like my toy car. I like my teddy bear. I like my teddy bear. I like my guitar. I like my guitar. Let's revise our 4 sight words again. What is this? Yes, it's I. What word is this? Yes, you are right. It's see. What word is this? My. Say it again. My. This is? Yes, it's like. Say it again. Like. We will do more sight words in our next video. So don't forget to press subscribe button. Till then, bye bye. See you again.